Hey guys, so I quickly wanted to get this video up because it's already like 5 o'clock and it's getting super late and I should have filmed this video earlier, but you know how my life is at the moment. So this was a quick lip swatch video on the Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear Lipsticks, and I know that I had lip swatch week not too long ago, so it's like, okay, another lip swatch video. But this was actually one of the videos that was supposed to go up in lip swatch week, but the file got corrupted when I was editing it. So I had to wait till I got into the new place and film it all over again. And a lot of you guys are like, where is that Too Faced video? So here it is. My fingers are like all stained from the lip stuff. Anyway, there's not much to say about these. I love these. These are probably one of my favorite lip products in general, like of all time. I love the melted lipsticks. Like half of these were purchased by me and the other half were like sent to me just as a gift from Too Faced. So that goes to show you how much I love them. I purchased like a bunch of these on my own. I absolutely love them. They're so good. They are super, super long wearing and they feel really comfortable on the lips. They have like a natural finish. I wouldn't say they're 100% like Kat Von D matte, and they're not glossy, if that makes sense. So like a happy medium. Some of them feel a lot more glossier than others. Like this one in Melted Melon, I don't know if I got like a weird one, but it's like super glossy on the lip. Even when I wear it like for 3 hours, I mean, it dries down to like a satin finish, but it's still a little bit like shiny, my Melted Melon, which is why I wanted to show you that. But for the most part, they feel pretty matte satin-like, which I really, really love. I love the applicator. It makes it super easy to get like all around the lips. I do recommend using a lip liner with these just because you won't have a super precise application without a lip liner, especially for the darker colors. But like for Melted Sugar, Melted Nude, Melted Chihuahua, those colors I never really use a lip liner because the applicator is so easy to use. I just love how they wear on the lips, super comfortable and for a really long time. The only thing I don't like is that sometimes the darker colors do get all over my teeth, so I have to make sure that I'm not bringing it in too close to like my teeth, if that makes sense. But other than that, I think they're great products, especially the way that they smell. They smell like candy. They smell so good, like real delicious candy, like a fruity deliciousness. They're great. So yeah, I give these a big A+, 5 stars across the board. They're really amazing. There may be some hit and misses with certain colors, but in terms of formula, I think they're a big win for me. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick little lip swatch video. I don't have all of them, by the way. I lost like 3 of them in the move. I don't know where they were and I don't even remember which ones I lost, but I lost like 3 of them in the move and I don't have the full collection. I think they have like 22 of them. I don't have them all, but I will have them all because I love them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!